Hey guys, got a quick marketing tip for you here today. Now this probably isn't going to apply to everybody, but if you are guilty of this, I hope to help set you straight pretty quick. What we are talking about here today is the danger of not owning all of your digital and social media pages. If you haven't given much thought about who owns all your digital and your social media accounts, I think it is time for you to wake up before a potential nightmare starts to begin. Now, I think we're all pretty familiar with what happens. The company owner reads some story, watches a video about some brand new marketing opportunity, and he wants to get on board with whatever that new platform is. Well, enter the 20-year-old who pretty much knows their way around the digital landscape, and they get the task of setting everything up. Now, everything is running just fine until that person leaves, or maybe the owner and that staff member no longer see eye to eye, and that staff member is shown the door. This happens all the time, and chances are pretty good that when it does happen, you, the owner, might no longer have control of your pages. Now, according to the digital and social media companies, they're always going to go with the person who set it up. And get this, according to some recent court rulings, the owner is the person whose name appears as the administrator on the account. And if that is not you, things can get pretty scary pretty fast. Now, my tip for today, make sure that you, the owner, own and control all of your digital and social media assets. Do you even know whose name is listed as the administrator on all of your company's digital and social media accounts? Your digital and social networks should be viewed as company assets, and you should have a plan in place before somebody goes rogue and hijacks all your accounts. I'd even go so far as saying you should develop a thorough digital and social media ownership policy and having everybody on your team sign off on it. From Google My Business profile page to your ad accounts to YouTube, LinkedIn, to every single social media username and even the social media account your team puts out. Make sure that you own it all, and make sure you always retain access to every one of your social media accounts. And just in case you are planning on letting someone on your team go and pursue other interests, you might want to decide to stay late or show up really early so that you can change all those passwords and change those access levels before you share the news that they have been liberated. You know, we've all read the stories of the person who was sacked and then took to that company's social media accounts to air all those grievances to everybody. Don't let that be you.